In this video, I want to go over remove first and last character problem on Codewars. And what it wants us to do is to remove the first and last character of the string that they provide us as input. Now, if we look at the function that they provide us, our string is S. What they want us to do is return S with the first and last character removed. Now, since we're using Python, we're going to use a very powerful tool called list slicing. And if you code with Python, you need to know how list slicing works. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to return S. I'm sure you know how indexing works. Say we said we're going to return S of 1. Well, S of 1 is the second element or the first index, since they start at 0, 0, 1, or the first index of our string S. It would return the second element of S. 5 would return the sixth element of S. If we wrote something like this, assuming our string was long enough, what this would do is this would return a range of characters from our string. It would start from the very first index and go up all the way up until the 10th. However, it wouldn't return 1 to 10, the index of 1 to 10. It would return the index from 1 to 9 because with list slicing, the element that you provide here, the upper bounds, is non-inclusive, meaning it would return up to but not including that last element. So what it would return is 1 to 9, if that makes sense. Now, given this information, we can return a range from our string. What the range we would want is from the first element to the last element minus 1. Well, there's a way to do that, and it's with negative indexing. What this does is this specifies the last element, -1, since list slicing is non-inclusive, meaning it goes up into the last element, this won't return the last element. So what this is going to do is return from the first element to the last element minus 1. And if we attempt this, as you can see, all 46 test cases passed. And that is the remove first and last character problem on Codewars in Python. I hope that you learned something, and if you did, I would appreciate if you liked, commented, and subscribed. And I will see you guys in future tutorials.